So guys, you can see that I have just finished slicing the green beans, the carrots, the spring onions. Here is the spring onions leaf, and you can see that there is difference between the normal onions and the spring onions. The spring onions has its own different work which it does in the body, and the normal onions, I am going to be adding it also. So I'm going to be slicing this. You can always slice the onions the shape you want. So after this, I'll be placing my pot on the fire and then start preparing my stew. I hope you're learning how to prepare this. If you love this video, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my video with your friends and families. So here is also my blended tomato mixed with onions also and fresh pepper. This has already been blended. I will be making my stew now. I have to place my pot on the fire. So I'll allow this pot to be dried, then I'll be pouring in my groundnut oil inside the pot. So as the pot is dried, you pour in your groundnut oil and allow it to be very hot before putting in anything. Mind you, your groundnut oil has to be a cholesterol-free groundnut oil, which is a vegetable oil. So now the oil is hot, I'll be pouring in my onions inside the pot. And also some quantity of the spring onions. You can see how it is. So now I'll be pouring in my fresh tomatoes inside the pot and allow it to steam very well also. So here the groundnut oil will keep on boiling the tomato. You'll see it boiling. So now you can see the stew boiling. Now it's time for me to put my Maggi, salt, curry, and all the required ingredients I have to put in here. So I'll be adding a pinch of salt inside. I'll be adding Maggi inside the pot. And also now I'll be adding my curry and thyme. So here's my thyme, which I'll add into the pot, and also the curry powder. Stir the pot. Now I have here my ice fish, which I'll be putting inside the pot. So now I'll be also adding my fried fish inside the pot. Still allow it to steam very well. You can see the green peas and carrots. I'll be adding it inside the pot. And also my carrots. And finally, I'll be adding the spring onions leaf, and the stew will be ready. This is a wonderful, delicious vegetable stew. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love my video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and also share my video with friends and families. This is Ukeme TV. I'll keep teaching you on how to cook delicious recipes. Enjoy watching this video. So here now I want to add the spring onions inside the stew. This is vegetable stew. And I'll be stirring the pot. You can see that the stew is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Ukeme TV. I'll keep giving you updates of how to prepare your food, special recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how to prepare your vegetable stew. See you guys in my next video. Bye.